Hey guys, welcome back with an outstanding video. Guys, in this video we will discuss when you try to create your new Cash App account, you may face a problem that sign up not available. You can't create an account at this time to use Cash App, log into your existing account. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, you may just go back, and first of all guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection. Then guys, if there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect it. After this guys, you may click here on general, and you may check as your date and time selected to automatically. Then go back again, and you may click here on your Apple account or your Apple ID, and click here on media and purchases, and guys, you may change your country and region to that country where Cash App is available. So if you live in that country where Cash App is not available, then guys, you may select your country to that country where you can use Cash App easily. So let's check this. So you may check country, region, select United States or any other country. Then guys, you may go back, and you may just open your app store, and in search bar you may write your Cash App, and guys, you may make sure that you have latest or updated version of Cash App. If you are not latest or updated version, please update your Cash App from here. Then guys, you may go back again, and you may open Cash App, and guys, then you may log in or sign in from here. So click here on add account, and then guys, you may create your new account from here, or you may unable to create again. Then guys, you may click here on question mark, click here on need help, and guys, click here on here, and guys, this interface will be open. You may scroll it down, and here you may see that here are two options: start a chat or call us. So you may contact to Cash App support team. You may select chat or call from here, and you may tell them your problem. Cash App support team will fix it as soon as possible. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.